Discover the charm of Meredith Way in Fritch, Texas. This 0.33-acre lot is just minutes from Lake Meredith and the Canadian River, perfect for nature lovers and weekend getaways. Camp in your tent, trailer, camper, or RV for up to 14 days every 30 days, or make it home with a mobile or manufactured house. While electricity and water are available nearby, installation is needed. A septic system is also required. With taxes just $29 a year and affordable POA fees, it's a great deal. Owner financing is available. Claim your slice of Texas today. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Hutchinson County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.